born a winner. It's your attitude towards your work which makes you thrive and succeed. Winners have immense self-belief. It's all about working with utmost dedication towards the goal that you know you can achieve. That's the attitude that tells winners apart from the feeble-minded. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 27th annual felicitation ceremony of Prerna classes. This is Praneet Shekhar.
And I, Ratsonal Kaur of Loyola School, will be your host for this auspicious evening. A vetted brain, a clear directed head, a plethora of dedication and hard work are the foremost requirements for succeeding in the Indian institution of technology, or for that matter, any goal in one's life. But it's very crucial to maintain the right balance to fulfill one's true potential, and for that it is very necessary to have a good mentor. Prerna classes has been playing this vital role of a mentor, helping many students to fulfill their dreams, churning out the best in these geniuses and helping them fulfill their dreams of becoming IITians. It is the feats of those geniuses which we have gathered to celebrate this evening.
Jana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Tamil Utkal Banga Hind Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jal Taranga Tav Shubh Name Jage Tav Shubh Ashish Mange Gaye Tav Jai Gatha Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. Thank you.
This propitious evening with the Ganesh Vandana performed by the Nataraja Fine Arts Performing Group. I would now like to request Pramod sir to please come up and deliver the report of the last academic year formally welcome our guests and embrace the occasion with a few encouraging words.
Thank you, Pradeep. Chief guest of occasion, Mr. B. Chandrasekhar, Madam Chandrasekhar, Dr. Ajay Mishra, Mr. S.T. Tak, my fellow directors, Vikas Tak, Mr. K.K. Mishra, dear faculty members, members of the press, and dear students, good evening. On behalf of Prerna Classes and on my own behalf, I welcome you all this evening for this wonderful program. Last year, the academic session 16-17, I have the privilege of presenting the annual report for that. Last year, as far as JEE Advanced is concerned, we have 134 students qualified. A big round of applause for all those people who have been successful. Out of these, 3 students were below 1000 All India rank, 322 for Siddharth Kahale. A big round of applause for Siddharth. 818 for Umang Agrawal and 852 for Kanesh. A big round of applause for these wonderful students who are really made us proud. If you go down further, overall top rank was, as I just stated, Siddharth Kahale 322. In 2-year Aspire course, he was the best ranker. In Swift 1-year program, Kushal Sharma 3364. And in Aspire 1, Subhajit Chaudhary 11,129. And in Focus Test Series, Abhishek Datta 16,535. A big round of applause for all these wonderful students. Moving further, if you look at the number of selections, 85 students were qualified from Aspire program, 42 from Swift, and 2 from Aspire 1, and 2 from In Focus Test Series. And this is interesting. For the first time, you see 3 students from TCS. TCS is a special program which we run with support of Tata Steel Tribal Cultural Society. And these 3 students for the first time have qualified IIT. So this is making a difference. All these students, the fees is partly subsidized by Tata Steel Prerna Classes, and the remaining part is paid by Tata Steel. And these students come from very humble, poor background, mostly students in and around Jamshedpur, because students coming from outside, from far up is not possible. But still we have been able to, since last 2 years, training around 20 odd students. And I think if we are able to make a difference, at least in the lives of 3 students, I think this is worthy of a big round of applause. If you look at category-wise ranking, 322 Siddharth, then 139 for Mehul in OBC rank, and in SC 125 Aman Kumar, and in scheduled tribe 250th rank for Shivam Anand Murmu. See, these are the category-wise toppers. If there were some other coaching institute, they could have easily put 139 as the best ranker. But you know, Prerna Classes always believe in not shine in a borrowed light. So that is why whatever is the real or the reality, we always try to project that. These are the advanced toppers. Their picture, a big round of applause for these again. If you look at JEE Main, 484 students qualified, and as far as the JEE Main results are concerned, Siddharth again got the best rank of 230. A big round of applause to Siddharth for all four winners. And then 821 for Ashutosh Kumar. A big round of applause for Ashutosh. Now coming to Small Step, as you know, Small Step is a program where we are starting from beginning this year from standard 8. Earlier we were starting from 9th and 10th, and we have introduced programs like Small Step Plus, which is directed towards preparing for advanced engineering entrance. This year Piyush Agarwal of BBMS was the best student, and he scored 98.4, and he was the second state topper in Jharkhand. As far as ICSE results are concerned, 63 students scored more than 90%, and in CBSE, 30 students got 10 CGPA. A big round of applause for those students. As you may be aware, I think now this has become a very standard phenomenon or event of the calendar. Prerna's Talent Search Examination, this was the 11th edition. This year, Gudipati Ankit of ACS Narwa Pahad came the winner. He gets a cash award of 25,000 rupees. Second is Jaka Bhargav from Jusko School Karma. And then Asumit Rathore from Loyola School, he gets 10,000. And then generally we do not have this fourth prize or a consolation prize, but Ananya Sinha, she did very well, but her score was not, I would say she could not clear the cutoff in one subject. Otherwise she was doing far better than than this. So we decided that at least we must appreciate her effort. So this year we are giving a fourth award to Ananya Sinha of Carmel Junior College. One interesting fact, if you notice, so far if you look at the history of Prerna Talent Search Examination or what we call PTSC, it has been that mostly students were coming from, for lack of a better term I could say, top schools. But this year the trends have been different and it has shown a different path. This year if you look at it, ACS Narwa Pahad and Jusko School, I think for the first time students from these two schools have come in the top. So a big round of applause for these schools as well. KBPY, we had this year 4 students who qualified. RMO also we had many students qualified this year. All of you may be aware that we run a 1-month program for underprivileged students. See, if you look at it, as far as science education is concerned, people or students from economic background, they are slightly reluctant or hesitant to take up science for various reasons. They are not very confident that whether they will be able to do well in that, although they are good in maths and science. So we are running this program called Udgav for last several years, and this has been making a difference. We get around 40 odd students from nearby areas who are underprivileged and coming from poor background, and train them for 1 month in basic science and math, so that they are able or they are at least comfortable to take up science when they go in intermediate or +2 level. And this has been making a difference. Some of the students which you saw in TCS who get into IIT were the students who were kind of initiated in this particular program. So this is one of the things which Prerna classes does as far as the CSR is concerned. We also, and it has become a regular feature, every year we are conducting a panel discussion on career options. This year we named it Jigyasa. We get eminent people from all walks of life, professionals who come and present before students what are various options possible, and so that they are aware and they take a very informed decision as far as which career or which branch of study they should be going into. Prerna classes is expanding. This year we opened a new branch in Mango. This is primarily catering towards small step program. We are having 9th and 10th this year, and this is doing well. This was inaugurated this year in March. As every year, Prerna classes now has started focusing on overall in those areas which can help students to take the pressure which is now become a difficult thing for students who are particularly preparing for competitive exams. So regularly we are conducting these yoga sessions. This is another side of Prerna classes. Last year, we are not just always serious and we also have our own fellowship and fun. These are the pictures when we went to Puri, picnic, birthday celebration. So for the students, it's a different side of as far as the faculty members and staff is concerned. Thank you. This was my report. Before I end, we are going through what I call
First to the stage for the cake cutting ceremony. The toppers.
Sir. तो हट जाइए सर सर
Siddharth, just a minute. I would like to show the items in the goodie bag for all of us. Shiva, would you please open up and show us what it contains? We have a t-shirt, this one. Right, so back side. last not the least, a bag for you to carry to your college. Thank you.
This year, the Prerna classes is giving away a total cash prize of rupees 5,15,500.
सर सर थोड़ा नीचे सर सर
Good evening. Team Prerna, led by Mr. Tom, my friend Mr. Dubey, and so many others. And inspired by Mr. Tom Senior, who used to be my senior colleague in Tata Steel long back. And the entire batch of students. I have been watching the, activities of Prerna classes for quite a number of years, because a lot of our students from English school and now CBSE school also, they have joined Prerna classes. They are doing an immense service to the students of this town. It's not a joke that they are on for close to 30 years, 27 years, almost 3 decades of service. And a lot of our students have benefited immensely from their joy. Our country is at a threshold where we are on the brink of a great change. It is often said that among the emerging economies, we are topping the list. It is true. It's a Herculean task to clock 7.5+% growth year after year for last 2 years, despite all these problems that we have faced. So it is this time that you should utilize fully in developing yourself as a full-grown personality. Academics, no doubt, is one of the paths to success, but according to me, that is about half the story.
Yo बेटा सेल्फी ले ले फिर भैया
हम तेरे बिन हम तेरे बिन रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सही, कोई लम्हा और तेरे हर सांस, क्योंकि तुम थे, अब तुम हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। थैंक यू।
CBSE topper is Bismillah Bua, having secured 10 CGP.
Sir, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, sir. Sir. नहीं तो कुछ आया नहीं ठीक से ना। सर
And Aman Raj.
Raj Solar.